If you speak a Romance language, this won't be shocking to you, but in Latin, the word for weather was derived from the word for time. Tempus, in general, means time, but it can also mean the temples on the side of the head. And the word tempestās was derived from this, as can clearly be seen. It can mean storm, which is where the word tempest comes from, or also weather, and sometimes even time or season. This might be coincidence, or it might be because what you could do at any time depended on the weather. And there are many languages that have this connection. Try to say, a storm is coming. Tempestās venit. There are two common ways we can ask about the weather. Here's the first. Quaenam est tempestās? Quaenam is the feminine form of quisnam, because tempestās is a feminine third declension noun. Nam is used to add emphasis. It's like soever, or sometimes in the world. So this is like saying whatsoever is the weather. We can replace this with quius modi est tempestās? This means of what kind is the weather? Tempestās can also be used to mean seasons, as in Quattour tempestātēs in anno sunt. There are 4 seasons in a year. But when speaking about time, we use tempus, as in the famous phrase, tempus volat. Time flies, or tempus fugit. Literally, time flees, but these have the same meaning. Tempus is also a third declension noun, but neuter. So how do we say, I have no time? Tempus non habeo. Remember, third declension neuter nouns have the same accusative and nominative forms. But when we want to ask what time it is, we use a different word. Quota ora est? Obviously, ora is related to hour. So this is like asking, which hour is it? And to answer this, we have to use ordinal numbers, the numbers that end in th for the most part. So to say it's 7 o'clock, we say, it's the 7th hour, or septima ora est. So can you think of how to say, I will come at 10? Or, I will come at the 10th hour? What declination do we need? Decima ora veniam. And you can use this if you're going to dinner in Spain.